Hi friends! Today I'm going to be unboxing the ARRTX Pastel Palette Set. ARRTX was kind enough to send these gorgeous markers to me, and let's check them out. Look at these colors, all soft, dreamy pastels. This is called their Pretty Pastel Palette. ARRTX is also having a current promotion on Amazon. I'll put the links below in the description so you can have a look. I love that each marker has dual tips. A brush tip for smooth, flexible lines, and a chisel tip for broad areas. I think it'll be fun to take a moment and organize these. And now for the fun part. Let's color these two princesses, Snow White and Cinderella, in this pretty pastel palette. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.